Howdy, hot shots. Beaming to you from Not a Financial Advisor land with not financial advice. It's Kevin with Earth 2 Mastery, and it's time to score a goal. All right, guys, grab your football because we're going to be talking about some gameplay here. Let's start talking about some face-melting news that might be happening for Ecomi and VeVe as early as tomorrow. Okay, guys, as early as tomorrow. So, we've been waiting on this news. We thought it was coming in early April, but is mid-April, is that too late to be the news that we were talking about? I don't think so. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're still just over 3 billion burned. I keep seeing something like, I don't know, some little amount of OMI burnt each day, you know, not quite a million. We're stockpiling a bunch of OMI burns, I think. A little bit locked up in the queue. I still don't have access to them. Gag, are you in the market? Are you in the market? She asked if I thought she thought I was asking if she was on the market because one of you was interested in her. Gag, no, in the market on VeVe. Okay, guys, I don't know what she's talking about. Go back to drinking, Gag. Okay, so we're going to get into it right now. We got the Ecomi price has been moving up a little bit off the lows today. I saw it as low as about 0.075 and or 0.0075. And I was going to get some more. I haven't done it yet. I got some more yesterday. Oh man, look, it was down as low as 0.0072. Ooh, that would have been nice to grab that. So it's already up about 10% off of its low, which is kind of a bummer. I'm in the midst of transferring some money now, so hopefully I can get another little bag. You guys don't do it because of me. Me and Gag are hodlers. We're diamond hands. We're not crying when it goes down. You don't buy OMI because y'all homie. But you say, OMI is my homie for the algos down below. I'm getting another bag because I'm accumulating. And unfortunately, I think it's off the lows, maybe because this news has started to circulate a little bit. People buying the rumor. They might sell the news. Tomorrow, if it really does break, who knows? Maybe it'll go down again. That's what happened after Uniswap. I didn't think it was gonna, but I don't care because I want more drops, more licenses, a better app, more market access, and more OMI burnt. That's what I want. All right, so let's see what we got. Okay, we got, I got it over here. Check it out. Indie Kayla News. This is from the last couple weeks, guys. Hearing big news for at Ecomi next week. They deserve all the luck. Game changer. Indie Kayla News says the major announcement is imminent. As already reported by us, it will send shockwaves through the NFT world. I'm ready for those shockwaves. I'm ready for them. I don't want the price to go too high. I don't want it too high, too fast. I want OMI burnt. Congratulations in order for Ecomi and VeVe collectible to the moon. That's Indie Kayla News. What do they have to say today? They say the big Ecomi VeVe collectible announcement. We got major update coming at 9 a.m. Thursday the 15th. That's tomorrow. 9 a.m. UK time? Is that Greenwich Mean Time? I think it is. Would that be 1 a.m. Pacific Standard Time? Spring forward, fall back, boom! 2 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I think that's what we're looking at right at 2 a.m. All we can say right now, it's imminent. Well done, everyone who connected to OMI. Oh my gosh, I got to go buy a little bit more just in case this thing does go up to a few cents. I don't want to keep accumulating at that price when I could get it now. So I got to get me some. What is this all about? What is Indie Kayla? What is this all about? This guy right here says, Oi, Paji, the Premiere League on OMI, VeVe, Premiere League, isn't that the Football League? Football League? Oh, no, I'm just kidding. Look, the NFL is this kind of football. And other people around the world, their football is soccer. The original football is soccer, and then us in America, we changed it to this thing. I don't know. Do they have that? They have rugby elsewhere. That's kind of like football. I don't know. There's American football. And then there's the rest of the world football, which is soccer. And the Premiere Football League is soccer. And it's huge. It's huge, guys. Okay. But is Indie Kayla News? Look at Spicy Fist down below said something about the Premier League too. Indie Kayla News. Who are they? Award-winning Twitter account, home of breaking football news and transfer updates, respected sources. 327,000 followers. Oh my gosh, guys, that's more users than we have in VeVe right now. That's more users than we have in VeVe. And if they can get their favorite characters from soccer, hey, how many more people could join VeVe because of this? Let's take a look and see how many followers the Premier League has. 25.9 million followers. Yeah. Yep. That's a pretty big announcement still in beta phase when they haven't got the they haven't really got the app ironed out yet. I can't even get in the market, and they're going to announce to 25.9 million people that they could buy their favorite soccer players in the VeVe app. Whew, I don't know about melting faces, but they're going to be melting servers. Woo, doggy. Oh man, Gag says grab another bag. I don't have any advice. I'm diamond hands. She can't hold her palm malls because her hands don't even move. She got them diamond hands. Gag told me to grab another bag. I don't know what you guys think. Comment down below if this is big news to you. And get to sub it.